Hi guys, it's Fiona from Currys, and today I'm going to take a closer look at the Ninja Foodi Max air fryer. It lets you cook 2 different foods at the same time. It makes it easy to get your timing right, and it's easy to share settings across the 2 baskets. I'm going to head over to the lab now and check out this product in a bit more detail. The 2 baskets are completely independent, so that means you can cook 2 different foods at different times using different programs. So you can have your main course in one and a side dish in the other. So Leon, if you come and have a look, we have got sweet potato fries in this one and a roast chicken in that one, and don't they look delicious? It cuts down your cooking time, giving you loads of flexibility as well as loads of cooking space. You can cater for up to 7 to 8 people without even having to touch your oven. When you've got 2 dishes going at the same time and you want to serve them up together, you can use the sync function to get your timing spot on. And then that way, both baskets will finish at the same time. So whether you're roasting in one or air frying in another, or you've got a vegetarian option that's taking a little longer. If you want to cook more of the same thing, then you can load up both baskets and use the match function to double your serving size. It automatically duplicates the setting across both baskets, so you can put on a big spread for your family or even extra guests. If you'd like more info on the Ninja air fryer, then visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.